In this video we'll be looking at informal methods of subtraction. Let's look at the most common method of column subtraction. Unlike addition, it does matter which number you put first or on top. In this situation, it will always be the first number in this position, 28, take away 19. We write it down like this. Obviously we have 8 take away 9. We cannot do without borrowing from the tens column. So to do the borrowing, we put a line through the numbers in the tens column and borrow 10 over, giving us 18 take away 9. 18 take away 9 gives us 9. We've already turned the two tens, or 20, into one 10. From this we will take away one 10, so that would be 1 take away 1 is nothing. So we'll leave it like that. Let's try another one. Let's try 137 take away 45. So again, the order of the numbers is very important. So it's 137 or 137 take away 45. So here we have 7 take away 5, which we can do without any adjustment, giving us 2. Here we've got 3 take away 4, so we're going to need to borrow from the hundreds column. We've got 100s, so we'll set that to 0, but carry back or borrow from there, giving us 13. In reality, this is actually 130 take away 40, but we're going to show it as just 13 take away 4. And this gives us 9. So, what we have as an answer is 92. Let's try the same thing using or having decimal numbers. Again, like the addition, it is important that we keep our columns in line. 32.3 take away 17.4. So I'll put those in. 32.3 minus 17.4. Notice that the digits are lined up, and so is the decimal point. So let's start. We have 3 take away 4, which we cannot do without borrowing or adjusting. By borrowing from this situation the units column. So 2 units becomes 1 unit, and 1 unit goes over to there, giving us 13 take away 4. That gives us 9. We now have a situation of 1 take away 7, which again we're going to have to borrow. So we borrow from this side, giving us 2 left in the tens column and giving us 11 in the units column. 11 take away 7 gives us the 4. Finally we have 2 take away 1 gives us 1, and that should be our answer. It's alright. Have a go with these 2 questions on your own. Pause the video and turn it on when you've completed them. We'll go through them together. So, let's look at the first one. So, as before, the first number in subtraction must be on the top. In column subtraction, well, the bottom, the second number should be on the bottom. As usual, make sure your numbers are aligned. 6 take away 2 is no problem, that's because it's going to give us 4. 3 take away 4 we cannot do without adjusting it using the borrowing from the 100 column. So we're going to do that, so the 4 here becomes the 3, and the 3 effectively we treat it as 13. 13 take away 4 gives us 9. 3 take away 2 gives us 1. So your answer should be 194. Let's look at the second question. .73 take away 0.52. Again, remember the order you do this calculation is important, but it's important that your columns are correctly aligned. So we'll have 1.73, 0.52. Notice the correct alignment. 3 take away 2 gives us 1. 7 take away 5 gives us 2, and 1 take away 0 gives us 1. That was actually a very straightforward question. If you did those correctly, well done. If not, have a look at them again, and then perhaps look at the next video, which is on informal methods of subtraction.